Hello, I'm Varsha. Welcome to your little world of feminine style. Level up your style game by adding a touch of glam to your basics. Shop your closet to recycle your plain clothes with a simple hack that takes less than 5 minutes. Do not worry, this is just a temporary attachment. No sewing or glue is required. You can revert your plain clothes at any time. Style your sparkling bracelets to glam up the outfits. Wear them at the waist, around necklines, on sleeves, and in many other creative ways. With this one hack, you can unleash your creativity and enhance your style. This technique is perfect for not just plain dresses, but also for plain tunics, kurtas, tops, blouses, and almost any other basic clothing item in your wardrobe. Alright, now let's move on to the tutorial. While wearing the clothing item, take a marking chalk and mark 2 small lines where you want to add your bracelet. The distance between the lines must be approximately equal to the length of the bracelet. Lay the clothing piece flat on a surface. Take a safety pin and insert it from inside at the marked line. Lock the pin in such a way that only a small portion of it is visible on the outside, as shown. Attach the lock end of the bracelet to this visible part of the pin. Repeat the same process on other marked line with another safety pin. But this time, insert the other end of the bracelet that has the loops, and then lock the safety pin from the inside. And that's it. Your new glam look is ready in no time. You have transformed your same old plain clothes with a stylish twist. Be cautious with safety pins, especially on delicate fabrics that can leave a mark later. Choose fabrics wisely and avoid using heavy jewelry. I am using the same technique here with a dainty neck piece instead of a bracelet. You can also add tiny pretty pendants like the one shown on the screen. For this, you can directly attach the neck chain while wearing the clothing. Make sure the pins are at place. I absolutely love this super easy hack. You can use any colorful plain clothing pieces. The idea is to highlight the jewelry on the clothing, and hence printed fabrics are not preferred. Explore various combinations for more reusability and versatility in your wardrobe. You can also try this hack on your bags. Please comment and share your experiences. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel VV Style Vibes. Click on the video displayed on the screen for your next destination.